Dear students, I am Devender, your maths sir. Now you can see your class 9th maths, second chapter. Now you can see your exercise 2.3 question number 3. Find the remainder when 2x square minus 3x plus 5 is divided by 2x minus 3. Does it exactly divide the polynomial? State the reason. See, first of all I am taking here let p of x is equal to x square minus 3x plus 5. Now, see, we need to divide by which one? 2x minus 3. To find the remainder, first you should equate it to 0. So that I am see here, to find the 0 polynomial 2x minus 3, we should equate it to 0. That means here 2x minus 3 is equal to 0 means, can I write here 2x is equal 0 plus 3. That means see, if I am transposing 3 to RHS, will you get 3 or not? 0 plus 3 means 3 or not? Yes. That means x is equal 3 by 2 or not? Yes. If I am transposing 2 to RHS, it will become 2x means 3. Then x is equal 3 by 2 or not? Yes. X value is how much? 3 by 2. Already you can see here p of x is equal to how much? 2x square minus 3x plus 5. See, here x value how much you got? 3 by 2. Whenever you are substituting x is equal 3 by 2, you will get the remainder value. So that I am see here. So replace x by which one? X by 3 by 2 in p of x. See here p of 3 by 2. P of 3 by 2 is equal 2 into x square means 2 into 3 by 2 whole square minus 3 into x, that means 3 by 2 plus 5. See here you can see clearly. See here 2 into 3 square is how much? 3 square is 9. 2 square is how much? 4 only. Minus 3 3 ja 9 by 2 plus 5. Is it okay? Now you can see here 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4. That means you can see here 9 by 2 minus 9 by 2 plus 5. 9 by 2, this is minus 9 by 2. That means both will be cancelled. That means you are getting is how much? See here p of 3 by 2. P of 3 by 2. P of 3 by 2 is equal 5. Is it equal to 0? Not equal to 0. That means you can observe here. If you are getting the remainder is equal to 0, you know that this is a factor of the given polynomial or not? Yes, but here once you can observe here it is not equal to 0. That means you can write here clearly as the remainder, as the remainder 5 is not equal to 0. Not equal to 0. Therefore, the polynomial, which polynomial, that is here C, 2x minus 3. The polynomial 2x minus 3 is not a factor, is not a factor of the given polynomial, What is the given polynomial? You can write here 2x square minus 3x plus 5. Yes or no? You can see here 2x square minus 3x plus 5. 2x square minus 3x plus 5. See, already you know that if your remainder is equal to 0, you can say it is a factor. If the remainder is not equal to 0, see, as the remainder 5, which is 5. Yes or no? This is equal to 0, not equal to 0. So the polynomial 2x minus 3 is not a factor of the given polynomial. This is your answer. Now you can see here, fifth question. With the polynomials 2x cube plus x square plus 3x minus 5 and x cube plus x square minus 4x plus a leave the same remainder when divided by x minus 2. Find the value of a. First I am taking here this polynomial as p of x. Next one here q of x. Next already they mentioned p of x and q of x when divided by x minus 2 leave the same remainder or not? Yes or no? Leaves the same remainder. But once you can remember, how can you find the remainder? First of all, we need to find the zero of this polynomial. Yes or no? What is the polynomial x minus 2? How can you find the zero of the polynomial? You know that to find the zero of polynomial x minus 2, we should equate to 0 or not? Yes, that means I am writing here x minus 2 is equal 0. That means you can remember here, if I am transposing 2 to RHS, it will become 0 plus 2. 0 plus 2 means, can I write here 2 or not? Yes or no? That means x value is how much? 2. That means you can substitute x is equal to. So that I am writing from the given data. From the given data, what they have mentioned here, from the given data, p of x and q of x when divided by x minus 2 leaves the same remainder. That means here p of x, you can write here the polynomial p of x divided by x minus 2. The polynomial p of x divided by x minus 2. The remainder is equal to p of 2 only. Yes or no? The remainder is equal to how much? P of 2. And also, and the polynomial q of x divided by x minus 2. The remainder is equal to how much? The remainder is equal q of 2. Yes or no? This is p of 2, this will be q of 2. But already you know that these two are equal or not? Yes or no? That leaves the same remainder. That means you can remember here p of 2 is equal q of 2. Yes or no? Yes. What is p of 2? You can write here p of 2 means wherever x is available, you can just substitute x is equal to, that means 2 into 2 cube plus, you can write here p of 2 means 2 into 2 cube plus a into 2 square plus 3 into 2 minus 5 is equal. You need to write here how much? Q of 2. Q of 2 means you can substitute here. See, x cube plus x square minus 4x plus a means 2 cube plus 2 square minus 4 into 2. You can write here 2 cube. 2 cube plus 2 square minus 4 into 2 plus a. Now you can see, simplify now. Very easiest now from here. 2 into 2 cube is how much? 8 only. See here, a into 2 square is how much? 4 only. Say 3 to 6 minus 5 is equal to cube is how much? 8 only. See here, 2 square is how much? 4 only. Minus 4 to how much? 8 only. Plus a. Is it okay? Now you can see here 2 8 16 plus a into 4, you will get 4a. Next here 6 minus 5 is how much? 1 only. Here 8 plus 4 is how much? That means once you can see, this is plus here, this is minus 8. Can I cancel? Yes. You will get 4 plus a. Yes or no? 4 plus a. Now you can see, transpose a to LHS. The remaining terms you can transpose to RHS. See here I am writing here 4a. 4a minus a is equal, can I write here 4, this 16 and also 1. You can subtract outside, minus 16 minus 1. That means 4a minus a is how much? 4a minus a is 3a is equal 4 minus 16 that means here 17 minus 16 minus 1, you will get minus 17. That means here 3a is equal 4 minus 17 means minus 13. Yes or no? Yes. See here, a value is how much? Minus 13 by 3. Yes or no? Minus 13 by 3 is your answer. Minus 13 by 3. A is equal, therefore A is equal to minus 13 by 3 is your answer. Now you can see here exercise 2.3 question number 8. Find the remainder when p of x is equal to x cube minus 6x square plus 14x minus 3 is divided by g of x is equal 1 minus 2x, and verify the result by long division. You know that long division method already. See what they have mentioned. I am written here. See, given that p of x is equal and g of x is equal. First of all, once you can see g of x is in standard form. Is it in standard form? No, we need to write as per the degrees. Yes or no? So that I am writing here 1 minus 2x can be written as minus 2x plus 1. We can write here minus 2x plus 1. Why? Because every time you need to write here descending order, degrees in the descending order. See here degree x power is how much? 1 only. Here x power is how much? 0. That means 1 and 0. These are descending order or not? So that I have written here minus 2x plus 1. See, this p of x is divided by g of x. Yes or no? So that whenever this polynomial is divided by g of x, first you need to find this polynomial 0. How can you find the polynomial 0? You know that to find the 0 of polynomial, to find the 0 of polynomial g of x, we should equate to 0 or not? Yes. We should equate it to 0. Otherwise, we need to write direct answer also. But we need to follow the steps. See, g of x is equal to how much? Minus 2x plus 1. See here. Minus 2x plus 1 is equal 0. That means, can you transpose 1 to RHS? Yes. Minus 2x is equal 0 minus 1. Yes or no? That means I am writing here minus 2x is equal to minus 1. See here I am writing here x is equal to minus 1 by minus 2. Yes or no? Minus 2. Here multiplication or not? So that if I am transposing 2 to RHS, it will become division or not? Yes. Minus minus cancel here 1 by 2. That means x is equal to how much your value? Here 1 by 2. That means once you can see here what they have mentioned here, the p of x is divided by g of x by the remainder theorem. You know that by the remainder theorem, by the remainder theorem, by the remainder theorem, when p of x is divided by g of x, the remainder is equal, see here, x is equal to how much? You have taken 1 by 2. Yes or no? What is the 0 polynomial g of x? 1 by 2. So that you can take here the remainder is equal to how much? P of 1 by 2. That means just replace x by 1 by 2. Replace x by 1 by 2. That means I am writing here p of 1 by 2. What is the p of x? P of x, once you can see here x cube minus 6x square plus 14x minus 3. If possible, you can write here p of x is equal x cube minus 6x square plus 14x minus 3. See here I written. Now I am substituting, instead of x I am writing here 1 by 2. Once you can see here p of 1 by 2. X cube means, see, can I write here 1 by 2 whole cube or not? Yes. Minus 6 into x square means, can I write here 1 by 2 whole square or not? Yes. Here plus 14. Is it 14? X only. Here you have to write here 14x. That means here 14 into 1 by 2. 14 into 1 by 2 minus 3. Now you can simplify it. Very easy. See, 1 cube is how much? 1 only. 2 cube is how much? 8 only. Yes or no? Yes. Minus 6 into 1 square is how much? 1 only. 2 square is how much? 4 only. Plus here, see, 2 1 ja 2, 2 7 ja 14 or not? Yes. That means here I am writing it 7 minus 3. Next you can see here 1 by 8 minus 2 ja 4, 2 3 ja 6 or not? Yes. That means, can I write here 3 by 2? Yes, plus 7 minus 3 is how much? 7 minus 3 is 4 or not? Yes. See here once you can see here 1 by 8 minus 3 by 2 plus 4. See 4 can be written as 4 by 1. Yes, now you can see here the denominators are all these are like fractions, unlike fractions, unlike fractions. How can you do? Just you can do by LCM. LCM means 1 to 8. What is the LCM of 1 to 8? Why? Because 8 only. Why? Because 8 is the here 1 to 8. LCM is how much? 8 only. That means I am writing here C8. First you can divide LCM with denominator. 8 1 ja 8 or not? That means 1 into 1, 1 only minus. Here 2 4 ja how much? 8. That means 2 in that means 3 into 4. You can write here 3 into 4 plus here see 1. 1 8 ja 8 only. That means you can see here 8 into 4. You can write here 8 into 4. C is equals 1 minus 3 4 ja how much? 12 plus 8 4 ja how much? 32 by 8. That means 32 plus 1 how much? 33. 33 minus 12 how much? 33 minus 12 is 21 or not? Yes or no? Here I am writing here 21 by 8. Your answer is how much? 21 by 8. Remainder is how much? 21 by 8. Now you can see, and also they mentioned in the question, verify the result by long division. See, you know that long division method. See, first I am written here p of x cube minus 6x square plus 14x minus 3 is divided by g of x. G of x value is how much? Minus 2x plus 3. How can you do division? See, what is the first term here? The first term in the dividend is x cube. Your first term in the divisor is minus 2x. Just you can divide. See, how can do here? First I am writing here x cube by what is the first term in the divisor? Minus 2x. Just you can do simplification. See here x cube by minus 2x means you are getting C 1x. You will get here how much? X cube. See 1 by minus 2. Can I write here x power 3 minus 1? Yes or no? See x power 3 here x means here x power 1 or not? You know that a power m by a power n is equal to a to the power m minus n or not? Yes, that means 3 power x power 3 minus 1. That means you are getting is how much? 1 by minus 2 into x to the power 3 minus 1. It is x power 2 or not? That means 1 by minus 2, or you can write here minus 1 by 2. Minus 1 by 2 x square. This is the first term in the quotient. Minus 1 by 2 x square. You can substitute here. You can write here minus 1 by 2 x square. Now you can multiply minus 1 by 2 x square into divisor. Minus 2x into minus 1 by 2 x square. You will get 2 cancel. You will minus into minus plus. Here x into x square you will get x cube only. You can write here x cube plus into minus. You will get minus 1 into 1 by 2 x square. You will get 1 by 2 x square only. 1 by 2 x square. Now you can subtract. Subtract means you know that change the symbol. This is plus already, it is minus, minus already plus. See x cube minus x cube, you will get cancel or not? Yes, you are getting is how much? Minus 6 x square. Here plus 1 by 2. Minus 6 plus 1 by 2. Minus 6 plus 1 by 2. How much you will get? Just this is total rough work only. Minus 6 plus 1 by 2 is equal. See, minus 6 means minus 6 by 1. That means I am writing here LCM is 2 only. 6 2 ja minus 12 plus 1 1 ja 1 only. That means minus 12 plus 1 how much? Minus 11 by 2. Yes or no? Minus 11 by 2. You can write here this result is minus 11 by 2 x square. Take one more term here. See, that means 14x. Now you can see you need to find the second term in the quotient. How can you find the second term? Just you can divide minus 11 by 2 x square with minus 2x. Minus 11 by 2 x square with which one? Minus 2x. See here minus 11 by 2 x square with minus 2x. You know that this minus 11 by 2 x square. I am doing division symbol. You need to write here multiplication, and also you need to write reciprocal of minus 2x. What is the reciprocal of minus 2x? You know that 1 by 2x or not. That means I am writing here minus 1 by minus 2x. That means here see, minus into minus you will get plus only. See here 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 will you get 1 by 4. Here x square, here only x. For here 1x, here also 1x will be cancelled. You are getting is how much? 1 by 4x only. 1 by 4x. This is the second term of quotient. Second term of quotient. You can write here plus 1 by 4x. It is how much? Plus 1 by 4x only. See, already it is 1 by 4x or not? See here it is 11. 11 1 how much? 11. That means here 11 by 4x. 11 by 4x. Here it is not 1. It is 11 by 4x. Now you can see 11 by 4x into minus 2x. 11 by 4x into minus 2x. You can multiply. See here 11 by 4 into 2. You will get here minus 11 by 2. You are getting is how much? Minus 11 by 2. X into x how much? X square plus 1 into 11 by 4x. You are getting is how much? 11 by 4x. Now you can subtract. That means you can change the symbol plus minus. Minus 11 by 2 plus 11 by 2. You are getting cancel or not? Yes. So here 14x minus 11 by 4x. That means you need to find 14 minus 11 by 4. 14 minus. See here 14 minus 11 by 4. How much you will get here? 14 means 14 by 1. See, yes or no? What is the LCM? 4 only. That means here 14 4 is how much? 56. 56 minus 11 is how much? You will get 45 or not? Yes, 6 minus 1 is 5. 5 minus 1 is 4. That means 45 by how much? 4 only. That means your remainder is how much? Yes, you can see here 45 by 4x. Now you can take another term which is available in the dividend. See, minus 3. Yes or no? 45 by 4x minus 3. You need to find one more term. You need to division until the remainder is equal 0 or less than the given degree. See, you need to find the next term. How can you find? Just you can divide 45 by 4x with minus 2x. 45 by 4 minus x. Just you can see here 45 by 4x. See here 45 by 4x with which one? Minus 2x. You can divide with minus 2x. That means here to remove the division you need to multiply with reciprocal. That means I am writing here 45 by 4x into, what is the reciprocal of minus 2x? You know that 1 by 2x. Yes or no? 1 by minus 2x. See here I am writing. See, is there any possibility to simplification? Not possible. See, xx will be cancelled. Yes or no? That means 45 1 ja 45 only. See here 4 2 ja, yeah, 8 only, but here minus here plus. That means minus 8. 45 by minus 8 means you can write here minus 45 by 8. Minus 45 by 8. You can take here the term as minus 45 by 8. Minus 45 by 8. Now you can see here you can multiply minus 45 by 8 with minus 2x. That means minus into minus plus 2x into 4. 45 by 8 means 2 1 ja 2 4 ja. You are getting how much? 45 by 4x. You are getting is how much? 45 by 4x. Here see, plus 1 here minus. Plus into minus. Minus only 1 into 45 by 8. You are getting 45 by 8 or not? Yes, 45 by 8. That means I am writing here. See, you need to do subtraction means you can change the symbols. That means already it is plus. You can change it into minus. It is minus. You can change it into plus. That means both are which cancel. Minus 3 plus 45 by 8. Minus 3 plus 45 by 8. How much value? Just you can see here. Minus 3 plus 45 by 8. That means you can see minus 3 means minus 3 by 1. What is the LCM of 3, 1 and 8? 8 only. See here. 8 3 is 24. That means you can write here minus 24 plus 45. You can see here minus 24 plus 45. That means 5 minus 4 is 1 only. 4 minus 2 is 4 minus 2. 2 only. That means 21 by 8. Your remainder is how much? 21 by 8. Your remainder is how much? 21 by 8. See, using the long division method, your remainder is 21 by 8. See, as per the remainder theorem, what is your remainder? 21 by 8 or not? Yes or no? That's why only they asked verify the by the long division method. I hope you may understood. You can try to watch this video at least 2 times. Then only you can understand very easiest purpose. Now you can see a ninth question. When polynomial 2x cube plus 3x square plus ax plus b is divided by x minus 2 leaves remainder 2. This polynomial is divided by x plus 2 leaves the remainder minus 2. Find a and b. First I am taking here, let p of x is equal to x cube plus 3x square plus ax plus b. Once you can see here from the question, if p of x is divided by divided by x minus 2, what is your remainder 2? So that I am writing here, therefore when p of x is divided by x minus 2 leaves the remainder is how much? Leaves remainder is equals to, yes or no? First of all, whenever this polynomial is divided by x minus 2, first you need to find the zero of this polynomial. What is the zero of this polynomial? Just you can say the zero of the polynomial x minus 2. The zero of polynomial x minus 2 is equal. What is the zero of this polynomial? You know that actual method. See, first you need to find the zero of the polynomial. You need to equate to 0 or not. X minus 2 is equal 0. Then you can transpose 2 to RH. That means you can know here x is equal 0 plus 2. That means x is equal 2 or not. That means what is the zero of this polynomial is 2 only. Yes or no? Which is 2. That means here whenever you can remember here, when the p of x is divided by x minus 2, the remainder is p of 2. You can write here by the remainder theorem. By the remainder theorem, if p of x is divided by x minus 2, the remainder is how much? The remainder is p of 2. Yes or no? That is the remainder is how much? P of 2. But you know that therefore p of 2 is equal to how much? P of 2 is equal, already they mentioned as per the given data, the remainder is 2 only. That means p of 2 is equal to, what is the p of 2 value? You can substitute here. Wherever p of x is available, just you can write here, therefore 2 into x cube means 2 cube plus 3 into x square, that means 2 square, plus a into x, that means a into 2, plus b is equal, remainder is 2 only. That means you can write here 2 into 2 cube is how much? 8 only, plus 3 into 2 square is how much? 4 only. So here 2a plus b is equal to, that means once you can see here 2 8 just 16 plus 3 4 just 12 plus 2a plus b is equals to only. Now you can see here 16 plus 12 how much? 28. If I am transposing 28 to RHS, will you get minus 26 or not? Yes or no? That means I am writing here 2a plus b is equal, can I write here 2 minus 16 plus 12 how much? 28. I am writing here minus 28. See here in plus 2a plus b is equal to minus 26. You can take this is as the equation 1. Why? Because we need to find the a and b, two variables, but we have only one equation. How can you find with one equation? We cannot find the a and b. So that you can see one more option. See here, when polynomial is divided by x plus 2, x plus 2 leaves remainder is how much? Minus 2. Yes or no? So that you need to find here. Therefore, You can write the zero of polynomial x plus 2 is equal to how much? You know that what is the basic method? X plus 2 is equal 0 implies x is equal, you can transpose 2 to RHS, you will get minus 2 or not? Yes. That means the zero of the polynomial is minus 2 only. Yes or no? But as per the given data, see here, as per the given data, as per the given data, when p of x is divided by x plus 2, the remainder is how much it is? Once you can see the remainder is how much? See here, x plus 2 leaves the remainder is how much? Minus 2. Remainder is minus 2. That means you can write here, what is your 0 of this x plus 2? Minus 2. That means you can substitute here p of minus 2. P of minus 2 is equal, what they have mentioned in the problem? Minus 2. You can take here minus 2 only. That means p of minus 2 means just you can substitute p of x value. See, you know that's very available. You can see 2x cube means 2 into minus 2 whole cube plus 3 into minus 2 whole square plus a into minus 2 plus b. You can substitute clearly. Don't any confusion. See here, 2 into minus 2 whole cube plus 3 into minus 2 whole square plus a into minus 2 plus b is equals how much? It is minus 2 only. Yes or no? Now you can simplify. You can see here 2 into minus 2 whole cube is how much? Minus 8. Yes or no? Yes. 3 into minus 2 whole square is how much? 4 only. Plus into minus 2a plus b is equal to minus 2. Now you can see here minus 8 2 ja minus 16 plus 3 4 ja 12 minus 2a plus b is equals minus 2. Once you can see here minus 16 plus 12 is how much? Minus 16 plus 12, will you get minus 4 or not? Yes or no? You can write here, see in detail, minus 4 minus 2a plus b is equals minus 2. That means you can transpose minus 4 to RHS. Implies, can I write here minus 2a plus b is equal to minus 2 plus 4. Why? Because if I am transposing minus 4 to RHS, will you get plus 4 or not? Yes. Minus 2 plus 4 means you are getting 2 or not. That means can I write here minus 2a plus b is equal to, this is the second equation. Now you can see here from 1 and 2. From 1 and 2. See here, what is the first equation? 2a plus b is equal to minus 26. You can write here 2a plus b is equal to minus 26. Here minus 2a. Minus 2a plus b is equals to only. Now you can just add it. 2a minus 2a both cancel. b plus b. 2b is equal to minus 26 plus 2. That means will you get minus 24 or not? Yes. That means here b is equal to minus 24 by 2. That means here b is equal to minus 12. Yes or no? B is equal to minus 12. Why? Because 2 1 ja 2, 2 12 ja 24 or not? Yes, b is equal to minus 12. You can substitute b is equal to minus 12 in 1 or 2. That means I am substituting here, see, minus 2a plus b is equal to, yes or no? Implies minus 2a plus b value is how much? Minus 12. You can write here minus 12 is equal to, implies minus 2a minus 12 is equal to, that means you can transpose 12 to RHS. Yes or no? That means you will get minus 2a is equal to 2 plus 12. Yes or no? 2 plus 12 means will you get how much? See here minus 2a is equal 2 plus 12 is how much? 14. That means here you can transpose minus 2 to RHS. That means can I write here a is equal 14 by minus 2. That means here 2 1 ja 2 7 ja. That means you are getting a is equal to how much? 7 by minus 1. That means you are getting 7 minus 7 or not? A is equal minus 7. Now we can write therefore a is equals minus 7, b is equal to how much? B is equal to minus 12. In that problem they are asking just find the a and b values. This is your answer. Thank you for watching this video. You can watch the other exercises in our playlist 9th class maths.